Hey y'all, so today I'm coming at you guys with a new video, and today I'm going to be showing you the standard way to create a box braid. Starting the hair off like this. If you've been watching me for a long time, you will know that I have never started off my braids interlocking the weave such as this, because I could never do this comfortably. The technique I'm about to show you guys is the standard way that most people teach you how to do a box braid, or any braid honestly, where you are adding hair to create a braid, whether it's a box braid or a cornrow. So you take a section of hair, you split it into, interlock it, like that, and the two sections should look like this. You want to take the section like so. You want to grab the hair. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to split the client's hair into two with my finger like this. I hope you guys can see. And now I have one section of the hair over this finger and one section underneath it. I'm going to take the pointer finger and I'm going to go through these two pieces of hair that are interlocked like that. And now one piece of the black hair is with this part of that section, and the other piece is with this one. So now I've split the hair between the section. So it's like hair, hair, and then the interlocked section down here is going to be the third part. And then you're just going to start braiding. So all I'm going to do is just start to braid like normal. I'm going to just pull this down and start the braid. Just like that. Hold it tight. And I'm using this hair so you can see it. You can use whatever color you want, obviously. But as you can see, the hair is locked in. And that's it. And it's as simple as pie. And then you just want to braid all the way down until you're done. My friends, is pretty much it. That is the way you would create a box braid using the standard technique that is generally taught to most people. And that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at trbeardeeeats. Subscribe to this channel for more videos, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.